Hello friends, in advanced JavaScript, our topic is looping statements. In that, today we will see while loop. Let's see what is the structure of while loop or syntax of while loop first. See, this is the syntax of while loop. As we have seen in the for loop, there is initialization, condition and iteration. So, initialization we are doing out of the while loop. At the top of while loop you can say before we are starting the while loop, you can initialize here. The condition is given while and condition is given in the round bracket, and the statement blocks contains the statements and iterations also. You can iterate here, either you can increment or decrement. So let's see what is how it works. I have made simple program here for while loop as I made for loop. See, here is initialization at the top of your while loop. So I is equal to 0 is initializing the variable. I am initializing variable here by 0. So this loop is going to run until and unless this condition is getting false, or this loop is going to run till this condition is true. So I am simply doing the same program, but I am using while loop. See, you can see here you can see condition. These are the statement block, and I am incrementing here now. I am incrementing it, so my loop will run until and unless my this condition is getting false, or this condition is getting true, till this condition is true. Let's run this program and see how it works. See, it is same as the output is same as, so I have to write here a while loop. If I will write it as a while loop. So it is while loop, use of while loop, and my condition is true and my loop is running successfully. I will show you decrement also. So how can you decrement? The initialization will be 10 and your extreme condition will be less than or equal to 0, and I have to simply decrement here. So I can print my variables 10 to 0. So let's run this program again and we can see the changes. So 10, 9, 8 and till it's 0. So this is the use of your, what we can say is, while loop. So this is also a while loop. See, I am saving this, and this is the use of your while loop. I hope you understand this lecture and the use of while loop also. So it is similar like for loop, but the structure and syntax of the two loops are different. So I hope you understand, and thank you so much.